All right, we're here with that 92-93 skybox. We have one pack left. We're still searching for our boy Phil Jackson, Charles Barkley, and Manute Bol. And Shaq. We're yet to pull a Shaq.
Pull
So,
one rookie. You need
last
some more
pack
rookie
Magic.
cards.
Can we see it? Larry Nance, the true Larry Nance, not a junior. Mark Aguirre, Pistons, Pacers. Let's see who it is. Reggie Miller.
That's dope. That is right.
That's who we wanted. Reggie Miller, Pacers legend. Not a bad start. Lenny Wilhens, or is that Wilkins?
Wilkins. That
Cavs
typing.
coach.
Oh, we got a Western.
Let's see who we'll get in this one.